Have you ever bought a skincare product that worked perfectly for someone else, but completely ruined your skin? Yeah, you're not alone. The truth is, most people don't even know their actual skin type. And that one mistake, it's the reason why so many skincare routines fail before they even start. So let's fix that today. How many skin types are there really? And more importantly, which one do you have? Because once you get this right, everything else, your products, your routine, even your results, starts to fall into place. Now here's where things get interesting. Most people think there are only two skin types, oily and dry skin. But that's not the full picture. Not even close. In reality, there are four main skin types: oily, dry, combination, and sensitive skin. And here's the thing. Your skin doesn't randomly fall into one category. It behaves in patterns. Patterns you've probably noticed, but never really paid attention to. Let's break it down in a way that actually makes sense in real life. First up, oily skin. If your face starts shining like a light bulb a few hours after washing it, especially around your forehead, nose, and chin, that's a big sign. You might also notice enlarged pores and breakouts. Yeah, they tend to show up more often here. But here's something people don't tell you. Oily skin isn't all bad. In fact, oily skin tends to age slower. Those natural oils help keep your skin more hydrated over time. Still, the struggle is real. Makeup slides off, your face feels greasy, and you're constantly trying to control the shine. Now compare that to dry skin. Dry skin is almost the complete opposite. Instead of shine, you get tightness. Sometimes your skin feels stretched, especially after washing your face. You might notice flaking, rough patches, or even irritation. And here's the tricky part. Dry skin can sometimes look dull, not because it's unhealthy, but because it lacks moisture. If you've ever felt like your skin just soaks up moisturizers and still feels dry, yeah, that's a classic sign. Now, here's where people get confused. Oily versus dry skin isn't always black and white, because there's a third type that sits right in the middle, combination skin. This is probably the most common and the most misunderstood. With combination skin, you're dealing with both worlds at the same time. Your T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin, might be oily, but your cheeks, dry or normal. So one part of your face is producing excess oil, while another part is begging for moisture. And this is why using one product for your entire face doesn't always work. You've probably experienced this without even realizing it. You try a product that controls oil and suddenly your cheeks feel dry and irritated, or you use something super moisturizing and your T-zone turns into an oil factory. That's combination skin doing its thing. Now let's talk about the one skin type that doesn't get enough attention: sensitive skin. Sensitive skin isn't about oil or dryness. It's about how your skin reacts. If your skin gets easily irritated, turns red quickly, or reacts badly to new products, chances are it's sensitive. You might notice burning, itching, or discomfort, even when using products that work perfectly for others. And here's the important part. Sensitive skin can overlap with the other types. You can have oily and sensitive skin, or dry and sensitive skin. So it's not a separate category in the usual sense. It's more like an extra layer you need to be aware of. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever used a product because it was trending, and then your skin reacted badly? That's not bad luck. That's your skin type telling you, hey, this isn't for me. And once you start listening, everything changes. So how do you actually figure out your skin type? Here's a simple way to do it. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser. Don't apply anything afterward. Then wait for about an hour. No touching, no products. Just let your skin be. After that, take a look. If your face looks shiny all over, you're likely dealing with oily skin. If it feels tight or looks flaky, that points to dry skin. If only your T-zone is shiny but the rest feels normal or dry, that's combination skin. And if your skin feels irritated, itchy, or reacts quickly during this process, you might have sensitive skin. Simple, but powerful. Because once you understand your skin type, you stop guessing. You stop wasting money on products that don't work, and you start building a routine that actually makes sense for you. Now, here's something most people overlook. Your skin type isn't fixed forever. It can change. Weather, age, stress, diet, even the products you use can all affect how your skin behaves. So if your skin suddenly feels different, don't ignore it. Pay attention, because your skin is always communicating with you. The question is, are you listening? And before we wrap this up, let's bring it all together. There are 4 main skin types: oily, dry, combination, and sensitive. Each one has its own characteristics, its own challenges, and its own needs. There's no better or worse type, just different. And the moment you understand yours, you're no longer guessing. You're in control. So next time you're about to buy a skincare product, don't just follow trends. Ask yourself, does this actually match my skin type? Because that one question can save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. If this helped you finally understand your skin a little better, then you're already ahead of most people. And trust me, that's a big deal. Stick around, because once you know your skin type, the next step is choosing the right products. And that's where things get even more interesting.